How to learn vocabulary for beginners. Learning vocabulary is one of the most important steps when you're trying to improve your language skills, especially in English. But it doesn't have to be boring or complicated. In this video, I'll share some super simple ways to learn new words without feeling overwhelmed. 1. Start small, stay consistent. Don't try to learn 50 new words in a day. Start with just 5 or 10 words. That's it. The key is to stay consistent, learn a few words every day, and over time, you'll build a strong vocabulary without even realizing it. 2. Use the words you learn. Just reading or writing new words isn't enough. You have to use them. Make small sentences with the new words. Try using them while texting friends or just speaking out loud to yourself. The more you use a word, the better your brain remembers it. 3. Create your own word bank. Keep a small notebook or use a notes app on your phone. Whenever you learn a new word, write it down. Also, write its meaning, one example sentence, and maybe even a translation in your native language. Review this word bank every few days. It really helps. 4. Connect words to real life. If you learn the word delicious, try using it next time you eat something tasty. If you learn confused, think of a moment when you felt that way. When you connect words to real feelings or real moments, they stick in your mind much longer. 5. Make learning fun. You can learn through songs, movies, short videos, or even memes. If you're enjoying the process, you'll automatically remember more. Try watching English shows with subtitles or play vocabulary games online. It doesn't have to be boring at all. 6. Practice speaking. Don't wait until you're perfect to start speaking. Speak from day one. Mistakes are okay. That's how we learn. The more you speak, the more confident you become, and your vocabulary will improve naturally. So that's it. Learning vocabulary doesn't need to feel like homework. Keep it simple, use it daily, and have fun with it. Even if you learn just one new word a day in 1 year, that's 365 new words. That's a lot. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you're working on your English, you're already on the right path. Keep going.